Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, let's open up our settings. And in here, you just want to navigate all the way to the bottom to System, and then select Reset Options. Now the last option is the one that we're interested in, Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you click on it, give it a moment and it will give you all the data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like your music, photos, and all user data. Now, if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to maintain, I recommend creating a backup of it to your computer. Now, you can do this by just grabbing something like this cable, plugging it into your computer, and just plug it into your device, and navigating on your computer to your Explorer, just dragging over everything that you want to maintain, photos, music, whatever it is. You do have the option to create a backup to the Google Cloud, but let's be honest, that is not the best option, and I will explain why. So you do have the option to utilize this if you want to, but there's a couple limitations. Number one, companies are obligated to keep your data for only a specific amount of time, at which point they need to get rid of it. So that's one thing. Number two, your data is not really at this point your data. It belongs to Google when you upload it, so you're not creating a backup for yourself. You're just giving it the data away for Google to do whatever the hell they want with it, at which point they will gracefully allow you to regain it in case you need it, as long as when you need it doesn't exceed, I believe, 2 years. So that's another thing, and your data obviously will be used to most likely train the AI. So they need to get rid of the data that you won't have access to, but they're going to use it to train AI, and AI has it permanently stored. I mean, literally it learns from it and it doesn't forget it. You just can't access it. So great. Your data has now basically contributed to your own unemployment in the future, and you can't even use the backup that you have created after a specific amount of time. So like I said, stick with this. This is the safest option, the one that gives you the most privacy. And for people that are wondering, like, if you have nothing to hide, why if you don't do anything shady, you have nothing to hide, so shouldn't be a problem. I might not, but if I am or not, it's none of your effing business. And number two, I like my privacy just because I like it. So I recommend doing a backup to your computer or any other storage that is in your physical possession. So anyway, continuing on with this, there's not much here, so we're going to select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you need to confirm it. Going to select Erase All Data a second time, and this will now begin erasing all the data on the device. Now, this process will probably take about 2-3 minutes on this device or so. So just be patient. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.